Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're going the other way only because I have here a box of some clothing. We'll unbox them together and I'll put them on, and yes, we'll talk about them in a bit. So I've been quite sort of obsessed with Chanel recently, and I found a few of their ready-to-wear items pre-loved, and yes, let's try them on. Okay, so the first thing is I've already unboxed this. This was from a different seller, a consignment shop called Volter Luxe in Australia. Anyway, it's a tweed mini skirt and it's in a mini length, but I feel tweed on me makes me look really matronly or like a really strict headmistress. I think because it's tweed. So I have to, and even I think tweed as a skirt is fine as long as I wear like a silk top or something different. For some reason, I always feel like a tweed crop jacket would somehow work better in not making me look so matronly. And I thought this little thing that I have also bought is this little, it's not quite crop top. It's a bit off shoulder with little cold shoulder sleeves. I think it's really cute. Pastel color. It's not silk. It's like it's a polyester material. Got ruching around the sides. I think it will go really well together with this tweed yellow mini skirt. So we'll put them on, and then I think for the rest of the other items are also skirts. We'll wear them with this top. I think, and I don't know why I've been finding a lot of Chanel skirts and I'm not having much luck trying to find tops. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think I'm going to have to sew some bra cups into this part because I can't seem to wear my own bra over. So yeah, I think it's a very cute summer outfit. I feel like the top is a bit more sort of like maybe like one of this resort, feels very resorty to me. It's definitely like spring summer. And as you can see, maybe just the skirt comes just above the knee. I think that's really cute. It's very much work suitable and work wearable as well. So yes. Yes, I think it's very cute. Oh, these little things, they always pop up, right? Like they're good for hanging, they're useful, but they always like to like appear when you wear your outfits. But yeah, otherwise I really like it. I think it does go very well. I think it's very, very cute. Yes. Okay, so let's try on the other skirts. All right, our next item is a little knit mini skirt. Oh my goodness, I really wanted a little knit mini skirt for winter. I think it goes really well like when the season changes from winter to spring and all that jazz. And I really love the stripes, and I looked at the tag, it's 22k. So 22k is like I'm sure there are people who are Chanel experts. It's to do with the number, the collection number. Okay, I really need to sew little bra cups into here just so that the fabric has a little bit more structure, because as you can see, I'm like doing this to myself. Okay, so I think this is a cute little mini skirt. Oh, I love it. Yeah, and I've always wanted a little knit mini skirt, and it's wool and cashmere blend. I think that's really, really good. And I love all the stripes. It's very much me. Okay, let's try on the last one. This next item is actually like a silk linen blend skirt. Like it's a silk blend, but it's silk twill, that's the word. But it's somehow and I know it's like French 38, which will be a size 10, and this is a French 34. Normally I can get away with 34, 36, but this skirt is also pre-loved, but it's unworn, and I'm going to have to get it taken in, or little dots added in the waistband. Okay, so yeah, it's not bad. Size 38, like so it is probably one size too big. So with a stretchy material like the knit skirt, I can get away with 34 because there's a bit of stretch in the knit. And I do find that, and I have a knit skirt in the past from Chanel, like 34 is like a perfect fit. Otherwise 36, I feel like it will tend to slide down with wear as the knit eventually, and it also depends on the structure of the knit. So now what I can do is actually just gently just do a little sew on the side, or just one side, and then I can move the button in. It's got this lovely beautiful button, which I'll show you up close later. But I think, yeah, it's called umbrella print, and this is collection 19S. But again, this top goes really well with this skirt. It's such a beautiful light and breezy material, and I didn't see that. There's a zip here. I wonder what it's for. Okay, it's a real zip. It's not a false zip. I suppose maybe because, again, 19S, I think it might be like resort collection. Yeah, not sure what it does. But okay, it's a nice little detail. No, it's only on one side. Maybe, I guess I can see what happens. We're showing some leg. Oh my gosh, it's not that kind of show. This way, I suppose. Okay, yes. Maybe that's a bit better. Okay, yeah, that's nice, but I don't know. I like it done up and having a bit of, not that it needs it. Some dresses that I have, if they're silk and they're mini, they're a bit light. So when the wind comes, yes, I have been known to sew coins in the hem to weigh the skirt down. I'll give you a tip. It's a tip that the royal family uses to keep their skirts weighed down, is to sew, well, no, they probably don't use coins, but you can buy like little metal grommet things from Harbour, the Cherie shop, or like fabric shops, to sew in your seam to keep the skirts down. So yeah, good tip for people if you like to wear little mini dresses or very light, with very light material. So yes, not too bad. I generally like it a little bit sort of snug, so that it just sits a little bit higher. But this is a good exercise overall, because I don't know what Chanel sizing I am, because I've bought things that are 36 in the past, and maybe it's been worn, so it's a bit big, and then you know, so things like that. But so I guess sizing from season to season could also be different. Well, okay, yes, I guess this is a very short video. Oh, I really like all this ready to wear. I think this is a perfect summer festival sort of look. Thank you for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yes, we were going to show you this button. Look at this beautiful button.